Sorry. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now listen, I'm extremely sorry that I totally forgot to record an intro for this video because I'm sorry. And like you can already see, I have like kind of concealed my other eyebrow without even like pressing the record button. I don't know how I can do it for a YouTube video, but you know, I'm a beginner and I have just started my YouTube channel, so let's keep it rolling. So very quickly, now let me show you how to do the other eyebrow. I mean, how to conceal the other eyebrow. So the first tool that you're going to need for this is Fevi-stick. Now, let me tell you one thing very clearly. You're not supposed to use a glue that is like too harmful for your skin or shit like that, because ultimately you're going to apply it to your eyebrows and you don't want to rip off your eyebrows. Yes. So we're all zoomed in. Now what you're supposed to do is basically this. I don't know what it's called, my English is like really bad, so just do what I'm doing. Just press it like really hard against your brows, because you don't want any of the eyebrow hair to be like this, you know. You want it to be flat, like stuck to your skin. Otherwise concealing it will be very difficult, because it will look obvious that you have eyebrows. So the next thing that you want to use is a loose powder. I'm going to use this cheap ass Nivea powder, whatever, but you don't want to use this. You want to use a good loose powder, and I don't have any, so I'm going to use this. And you want to take like a powder puff and, you know, take all the powder in the puff and stamp it. And this step is like really important, as like every step is important. So once you're done like stamping, like you can see, right, I'm like pressing it really hard. Once you're done with like stamping all the powder, what you want to do is you want to remove the excess powder from the rest of the areas and like dust this ever so slightly. Now the next step is foundation. I'm going to use the Stay Matte, NYX Stay Matte but not flat foundation. And the good thing about this tutorial is that I'm going to use all like drugstore products, you see, because I'm poor. Another thing to remember while doing this look is that you want to use a full coverage foundation, because the fuller the coverage, the more you look like Mona Lisa. So basically I'm going to just like take a little. Oh, I didn't mean that. So yeah, now I have foundation like all over my face, and like this is by mistake, so I'm gonna blend it first. And once you are done with that, you're gonna take like a powder foundation or a compact that has a really full coverage. Okay, so I'm going to use this primer plus matte powder foundation. This has a buildable coverage and I really like it. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to press it again, just like I press the loose powder on my skin. I'm going to press it. So I hope you could see that this step is extremely important, as it like almost conceal my brows. Now I have like really thick brows, so it's very difficult to like cover them up totally, but I have tried my best, you know, and I hope it's gonna work. So the next step, guys, I cannot even like stress enough on how important this step is. This step is called sculpting, and yeah, so what you want to do is basically you want to look at the picture of Mona Lisa in your phone or your laptop or wherever, and you want to look at it properly and you want to see the shadows, and after that you want to look at your own face. Ugly. Listen. So you want to basically draw the shadows on your face. Like for example, if you look at Mona Lisa's picture properly, you will see that this part of hers, this forehead, like her forehead has a shadow right over here. So you want to draw a shadow too. Her cheeks are a little sculpted right here. You want to draw that sculpt. You just want to draw. You just want to see a black and white picture of Mona Lisa and draw the shadows right on your face. So the palette that I'm going to use today is the Mona Lisa's Nude the the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I'm going to use the darker shades like this dark brown, this like kind of light brown, and this black, which is the most important shade. Okay, so and I'm going to take this like cheap ass brush which I got from Amazon, and yeah. Listen, there is something really important that I totally forgot to do, which is highlighting the upper parts of my face. Now, I generally don't do it on a regular basis. I know that is like really weird, but you have to do it. I'm going to use a lighter colored concealer. This is a Maybelline Age Divine concealer, and I'm just going to put it like under my eyes, like in the regular places that you see beauty gurus use it, because this is very much required. And I am actually going to apply a generous amount on my forehead, because Mona Lisa has like a big old forehead and my forehead is like really small as compared to hers. Now since I'm done with all that contouring thing and blending thing, I'm going to do all that shady stuff.
Já viu rico namorar pobre?
I look like the version of Mona Lisa that you just bought from the dollar store. Oh my god, listen. I tried my best to look like Mona Lisa. Like, I tried my best to do it the way I actually did it before. Because the previous time I did it, it actually looked at least a little like Mona Lisa. But this time, I don't know, I'm just looking... I just wasted 2 hours for this. Anyway, this is the final look. If you guys like it, I don't know why you will, but in case you do, please let me know. I will do more such, at least I will try to do more such transformations, and if not transformations, I'll try to make more videos. So yeah, I don't even know what to say because I'm not a YouTuber. But anyway, if you did like it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't give it a thumbs down because I have invested like 2 hours. Okay fine, you know what, you can give it a thumbs down. I'll try my best to improve, and please show me some, you know what, leave it. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye guys.